Friends, from this chapter onwards, we are introducing charts and graphs. Charts and graphs are the basic stepping stone of visualization and advanced visualization. Today, we are going to learn about that. As you see on the screen, a data is given there. For the data, we can make a chart called column chart. The charts are available from insert, and here is a chart group where all charts are there. There are two options. One is recommended chart, and for recommended chart, you have to select the data and you can go for the recommended chart. Another option is a group of charts, and there are charts like column chart, hierarchical chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, scatter plot, and combo charts. Let us see them one by one. First of all, we'll go for a column chart. The very first option is of the column chart, and you can click on this and create OK, and the chart is created. Simple chart is there. Another option to create this chart is you can go to insert, and in the recommended chart you can go to all charts, and there are all sorts of column charts with different options are available. You can have this chart, or you can have a little colorful chart if you want to have that. And if you want to have a 3-dimension chart, you can have a 3D charts also, like this. The card chart can be in 3 dimensions. Let us make a 3-dimension chart also. Let us select this one and see what comes up. So the same chart comes up with 3-dimensional data and with different colorful, and the original chart is modified in the new chart. If you want to make another chart for the same data on the same screen, we have to select that data again, and then we have to go to the column chart here, and then we can select the available column chart either in the 3D category or normal. So let us have a 3D category chart like this. So now you see the same data is having two different kind of charts. The chart is connected with the data. If you delete the data, you see you will lose the chart also. The chart is connected with the data. Let us make Control Z to have the charts back, right? Let us give another example of the same chart. We are having now two products, product P1 and product P2, and let us try to make a chart of this. We select this, we will go to the insert, and on this here is a group of charts with all different charts are there, and let us make a 3D column chart, and we select this chart, and we can make a comparative chart also. This gives a comparison of the data between 2 years, that in first quarter what would have been the difference between the sale, whether the first sale was high or the second sale was, if this, or similarly here, or where the two sales seems to be same, or this gives us a trend, a visual trend is there, that as in second year the sales is relatively higher than the first year. There are different other options of in the chart also, like group charts. If you see, this is the stacked column chart, and that shows the two charts, the two values together in a single bar to show the chart. And this will only be available when there are multiple, like you can see here, multiple columns of data is available. Like in the first case, previous slide, if you want to have a stack chart, you won't be able to make a stack chart in this case, because see, multiple stack chart will not be there, because we don't have two data to stack one upon another, two or more than two types of column data. So stack chart will not be visible in this case.